Hi everyone. I'm pretty excited. I got my new laptop today. This is Omen by HP and it's model number 15AX200NE. Today we will show you how to unbox this laptop. This is a pretty high, this is basically, you can see this is a high dimension laptop. It has very amazing features. You can see this is 16 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, plus 128 SSD, which makes it more smarter. It has a 4 GB NVIDIA graphics card, which is super amazing. It is a 15.6 inch display, and I think it weighs around 2.20 kg, which is not bad. So let's get started and open. This is a new pack, so I'm opening it in front of you all, guys. Yeah, you can see this is a sealed thing. I'm opening it. Okay, let's get started. Oh, I'm super excited. Yay, look at that. That's such a beauty. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so this has this super amazing features. Let's have a quick look at the features. This is how your laptop is going to look like. And one important thing, guys, this is basically 16 GB RAM, which is quite fast. But one thing when you have to always remember when you're buying a laptop is each RAM slot is 8 GB. So which means our laptop now has 2 slots and it is 16 GB, and each slot can reach up to a maximum of 8 GB. Yeah, and if you want more RAM, like sometimes you can extend your RAM. Maybe you buy 16 GB and you want 32 GB. You have to make sure that you ask them how many number of RAM slots they have. If they can have 4 slots, it's amazing. You can put 16 more GB or 8 more GB and make your computer more faster. Yeah, this is basically the features. You can have a closer look. This is how it's going to look like. It has all the same steps like the USB ports and everything. Yes, let's open it. You guys are watching this video and I am even looking at my laptop for the first time. Okay, so I've taken it out. You can see it's pretty sleek. It's not very heavy. It's okay. For now, let's keep it aside and see what else we have in the box. Oh, looks like there's another big carriage inside this. Wow. Okay, looks great. So this is okay. This is the charger, and what is this? Oh, this is pretty heavy. Okay. Cool. And you can see, okay, one cool thing, you can see this is one charger and there are 2 wires, which means this basically both of them have the same input, which will go into this charger. But you can see the plugs. One is the US style. Let's open it. Okay, let's have a first look of your new laptop. Yay! Isn't that cool? Okay, I think I have to charge it first. I plugged in the US charger, and yes, let's charge it. I think from here on. Okay, are you all ready? Dun-da-da. Okay, wow, look at the keys, red. Wow, it's super amazing. Wow, it already feels that I'm going to get into a gaming world or something. This is the lighting, but you can see that if you click on the button F5, I suppose, the lights will be gone. F5, it's back. Screen, I'm going to install everything. I hope you enjoyed this video and super excited, and I recommend everybody to get this laptop, and I will post my reviews after I use it for a couple of days. Thank you.